Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations, 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page on this regard on this very crucial civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself, because it is the United States of America with fatal negligence created the robocall poverty mandate to I and enforced poverty to I and enforced poverty, finance, disability to I and finance debt to I, and those 3 counts of crime, it comes under the domestic violence. So USA must pay me the financial medical claim in front of all nations, in front of entire human kingdom. I'll quickly read through this civil justice session, and this will go really short, I think. I hope so. Because there is no need for the overview, because I already provided in the previous session. Victims of abuse, patients' medical compensations claims billing process as of February 2021. Prostitution Babylon, USA, at fault found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican for with fatal negligence. USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and as of February 2021, a nation having civil law agency do not have birthrights to allow criminal justice agency in nation. And it is fatal negligence of criminal justice and civil justice agency of USA for created robocall poverty mandate because of fatal negligence, and it is deadliest crime enough for a nation to be sealed and shut down for disqualified to be nation. Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Roman province, Jesuits, Vatican, Pope Francis created finance law, health poverty mandate. So civil justice for at fault found guilty USA nation is Part A, USA prostitution, criminal, USA, London, England, Britain, Oxford Medical School must sign off tax-free $4 billion direct deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And then there's a Part B. Part B is for the USA prostitution, civil, USA, London, England, Britain, Oxford Medical School must sign off another tax-free $4 billion. And then the London must also sign off another tax-free $100 billion for toxicated Oxford Dictionary to enforce damages to the brain nerves with Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created Q's words. So direct deposit all these amounts to my bank account for fatal negligence and for created robocall poverty mandated. And then the prostitute USA Nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence, Atford found guilty USA Nation enforced crime 1 is USA Nation poverty mandated to Vedapriya Pro Se. And crime 2 count is USA Nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018 and mandated to disability to Vedapriya Pro Se. Then crime 3 is USA Nation finance did $10,210.38 mandated to Vedapriya Pro Se. So the 3 counts of crime of at fault and found guilty on all counts of crimes of Vatican, the United States of American nation with fatal negligence comes under the classification of domestic violence type, that is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types, and at fault found guilty. Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole the rightful job belonged to Vedapriya Pro Se. For Vedapriya Pro Se should have been elected as Supreme Judge of USA on October 2018, and just to steal the rightful job belonged to Vedapriya Pro Se alone, Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to Vedapriya Pro Se on October 2018. And Vedapriya Pro Se wants civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Roman province Vatican Jesuits leader Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now abruptly. For Pope Francis created criminal law is hell law, and for fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law in all 50 states of USA is 100 counts of fatal negligence for total count of 100 counts of fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law agency of USA. So Jesuits Roman province must pay another tax-free $100 billion in direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And Vedapriya Pro Se to be the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. Okay, thank you all for your time, my dear fellow mankind. I have to rush through the civil justice because lots of sessions are there. And all the crimes must be accumulated and displayed to the USA government. That way I can get my job offer signed off in the rightful way, get the salary rightful way, get all the national benefits rightful way, right? And I want to live peaceful life. Okay, I do not want to live a crap life. Because Pope created all hell, let him pay the price. Queen Elizabeth created hell for me, let her pay the price. Right? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.